Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back or to the channel. Long story short, we got 1 week to finish this. Well, a little bit over, but I'm gonna give myself a week. Bed sides are showing up today. We're gonna steal the front section off a bed off my buddy's truck that he's taking the bed off of actually. And then we're gonna get this axle all painted right now. Our stuff should be back from blasting. I just ordered the headliner, the correct headlight bulbs, turn signal switchbacks, the side marker bulbs. I ordered the headliner. I don't know if the headliner is going to make it in time. Hopefully it will. If it does, we'll get that set real quick. The rest is literally just cutting the carpet, putting the interior back in. So, although there is a good amount of stuff to do, I also got to install a couple gauges, but although there's a good amount of stuff to do, we're still pretty good. So, let's get to it. Yo, that's pretty hot above your gas tank. Yeah, I mean, that's just a little hot. Alright guys, well as you see, the interior is, I would say, fully in, but the carpet's cut. Everything is, you can see all of our bolt holes are out, and it kind of goes over the whole center console here. Obviously this carpet's been in a box for a minute, so a lot of these just need some time to, you know, sit there, flatten out, and do its thing. It's cut to where it should be. It's actually a little bit undercut, but when I get the plastics to snap in, we're going to do that. Obviously got to clean this boom mat off the plastics. That's no issue. But I was going to sit here and put the rest in. This is why I stopped. We do need to drill. Well, it's not really drill, but there's a hole underneath this seat. But there's no factory threads because obviously we're doing the lariat conversion in this. I'm either gonna have to get a weld nut or something right underneath here so I could bolt this seat in, or we can get some you know, normal hardware and bolt this top down. What we're actually gonna do is, because I need to replace the speakers in the doors here, so I got to get new speakers, and what we're gonna do in the meantime is we're just gonna amp them from when I took this apart. But yeah, we're gonna amp the speakers. And then I just ordered a sub box for this, 210s. I wasn't planning on it. It's probably not a good time to do that considering we got a week to finish this, but the sub box will be here Friday. We can get the audio. It should be no issue. Got a double din at home, so I think I'm going to take that out, and just an old Kenwood I used to have in my old Wrangler. But probably throw that in there, run the RCAs, run it all, kind of set it up here, just a couple small amps. Power those, power the door speakers, and this all can go back together. That's why the door panels aren't really on, is because literally I got to do the door speakers. That door I need to wet sand and buff. It does look a shade darker, but I think it's just a little, if I buff it, it might be fine. If not, we're gonna have to spray that one more time, but I think we'll be okay on that. These just showed up today. These are both bed sides. Now a lot of you keep asking, where's the bed? Well, if you look a while back, I have the bed. The bed sides are a little wonky. It's a rust-free bed, but it came off of it came off a work truck, so the bed sides are dinged up and stuff. I thought we could save them, mud them up, but it's just almost like the amount of mud on it. I didn't want this to be a Bondo bust. I wanted this the minimal Bondo as possible, so I ordered 2 new bed sides. And what you just saw here, which is a weird coincidence, but also thankful for, our buddy, he actually bought his old truck back. And it's rusted, it's womped, the floor is gone, as you can see. So this bed is trash. However, back there, the front section of that bed is actually, it's folded. It got bent when we were taking it off the trailer, and it was actually bent prior. So we were just gonna kind of bend it. Instead of facing into the cab, we were gonna kind of try and bang it back to get it straight. But we needed this section, and this section from Ford, you can order it, however, just this section. I mean, you can't order it aftermarket. Nobody's made it. But from Ford is $700. $700 for a bed I paid $250 for, which would be from Ford also, both bed sides. $700, one side, $800 for the other side. I'm guessing it's the side with the gas cap. But it would have been $700 and $800. And then $700. So at that point I should have just driven south and got me a whole new bed. However, our buddy actually took this off of his 5.4. As you saw, we just stripped it. I'm gonna come through here, take all these spot welds out first thing in the morning, save this section, scrap this bed, and then throw the new bed sides on. I ordered both of those bed sides Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. They're aftermarket, 700 bucks for both. So right now I've got 700 in the bed sides, $200 in the bed, $900 for what will be perfect rust-free bed. So that was my goal on that. I've had the bed the whole time, just haven't painted it because it needed the body work. But now I've got two new bed sides and a front section here for $900 total. So we're gonna Frankenstein this bed together, shoot it pink. I hope I can, I'm gonna figure out a way, see if I can shoot it pink. No, I wouldn't say shoot it pink tomorrow, but shoot it pink at least by the weekend, so we're good early next week. The bracket we need should be done first thing in the morning. I'm gonna get it back. I gotta powder coat that in my diff cover, my Banks diff cover for this. We're gonna get that done, and then that bracket is literally holding up this whole truck. Sway bar bolts to that. The steering stabilizers bolt to that, and the leaf pack bolts to that, and the leaf pack needs to go in so I can put the bumper back on and actually complete this. So literally the U-bolt bracket is kind of holding up the whole front end of this truck because it literally attaches everything and and what we need to finish this. Once we get that bracket back, the lift will be done. I gotta polish this exhaust out. We're gonna throw the audio in, door panels on, and then get that bed painted and put on. The rear bumper's already done, and then the hitch is actually getting blasted, and we're gonna get that powder coated as well. So seems like a lot to finish in a week, but when you really think about it, it's not that bad. This whole interior would have been in today, but then we decided at the last minute, well, I needed speakers, so let's just do a quick audio system in here anyway. So yeah, guys, like I said, we're almost there. Tuesday, and then we got Wednesday to Wednesday. We're leaving next Wednesday. I don't know about Wednesday night or Wednesday afternoon, but we got one full week to do this, and we break it down. Should be no issue. This is probably going to be the most time consuming here, but because they're straight, I don't see any issue with that. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, drop me a comment while you're down there. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.